Hi, I'm Jared from Finnegan Pianos. I've been professionally involved with pianos as a tuner technician in retailing some of the world's biggest brands, such as Yamaha and Kawai, and in wholesale, and I've been doing that for over 40 years. Piano manufacturers recommend that you tune your piano somewhere between once and twice a year. Although this suggestion generally makes sense, there is another way. In my opinion, it's much more cost effective, given that piano tuning can be reasonably expensive, to check whether your piano needs tuning before aimlessly investing your hard-earned cash. Luckily, these days it's relatively easy to check the tuning of your piano without just having to trust your ears. There are a number of free apps for iOS and Android you can download, as I said, for free, that will check the state of your tuning. The one I recommend to my clients is an app called Piano Meter. You just need the free light version. Let me demonstrate how to do this with your own piano. Okay, here's a piano that's in need of a tuning. Let's open our Piano Meter app and record the notes on the piano and see what it looks like. Just go New Tuning File. Don't worry about the settings, the default settings are just fine. Click Continue, there we have it. Now, my app has opened to the graph down the bottom, that's what we want, but notice if you swipe left or right, it will open different modes. Let's not talk about what they are. The middle one's the one that you want, the one with the graph on it, okay? The curve, and we're going to plot each note on that curve. Let's start recording. We'll start from the bottom, just work our way up. So we've recorded all of the notes, and notice that they've plotted here on the graph and they're all below the graph line, and you can look closer at each individual note and see how far below it is. Keep in mind we want that plus or minus 5% ideally, and once it gets out of that range, we need to call the piano tuner. All right, so this piano needs tuning, as I said. Let me quickly tune it and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, there you have it, all finished. Let's have a look at the graph now and see what the notes look like. See how they're all closer to the graph? They're closer to being in tune, whereas before they were further down, further out of tune. So while this app is not going to give you a super accurate picture of the tuning of your piano, it will give you an overarching view of what your piano tuning looks like. And if it looks like the first graph or worse, it's time to call your piano tuner. I really hope this video has been of value to you. If you have any questions or comments, please make them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please hit that like button. Also consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future content. I'm Jared Finnegan, thanks for watching.